Verifying your bank account on FlexJobs is an important step to ensure smooth payment processing. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your FlexJobs account. Access your FlexJobs account by entering your username and password on the FlexJobs website. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Payment Settings or Bank Account Information. Step 3. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit verification requests. After entering your bank details, submit the verification request. FlexJobs may require you to confirm your identity through additional steps such as email verification. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Check your email for a confirmation message from FlexJobs regarding the status of your bank account verification. This process may take a few days, so be patient. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your bank account on FlexJobs, allowing for seamless transactions in the future.